Here's a quick video on how to replace the battery in your Scion key fob. You're going to need one of the 2016 batteries. You can get these off Amazon. I've included a link below in the description that'll take you straight there. And also a small flat tip screwdriver. So what you want to do is right here, there's a little indentation, put your screwdriver in there, push and twist. Now this housing has all the electronics and also your battery. So this back hatch is what comes off. Just go ahead and stick your screwdriver right in here and just push firm and twist. That'll give you access to your battery. Just push right there, take the old one out. Now there's two little tabs there. You want to make sure your new battery goes under those, positive side facing outward. Clip this back on. And you can check right here, make sure you got your red light, make sure that's working. Put it back in the case, and you're all set. No need to reprogram. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.